Hello friends and welcome back to our channel Keto and Family. I hope you all are doing well. Well, today I've come with a Goan street food recipe which is none other than Ros Omelette. You heard me right. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. And to begin with, here I'm going to use 500 grams of chicken. So I'm going to add some salt for season. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's mix this all well. Once mixed this well, let's keep this aside for well marination. Now in a frying pan, let's take 1 tablespoon of oil. Now to prepare the chicken gravy, here I'm using 2 sliced onion, 1 large tomato. Now let's fry this for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add a little bit of coriander stem. If you don't have coriander stem, you just can use normal coriander. The reason why I use coriander stem, it is because it's been said using coriander stems gets more flavor than actually using a coriander itself. So while blending, coriander stems helps a lot to get more flavor out. So after giving a fry of 3 to 4 minutes, now I'm going to add desiccated coconut. And here I've used just a half cup of coconut. So now I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of garam masala. So if you all need to know how to make the garam masala, there is a recipe that I've already done. I will share that in the description. You can find it for yourself. Now we have roasted this very well. Now we'll keep this aside to cool down to grind this to a smooth paste. So now I'm going to grind this to a smooth paste. So this is how it's going to be once it's been blended. Now to make the chicken, let's take a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. So here I'm going to add 1 large finely chopped onion. Give a fry for a minute. Let's add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to add the chicken in here. So after frying this for 2 minutes, now I'm going to add the masala. So after giving a mix, now I'm going to add a little bit water to this. So I've added the water in the mixer jar so I can use the rest of the masala. Now let's cover this with a lid, let the chicken get cooked. Meanwhile, we're going to prepare the omelette. So I will be preparing 4 omelettes, and for that I'm using 1 large onion, 1 finely chopped green chili, finely chopped coriander. So here I'm going to add eggs. Add some salt as per taste. Now let's beat the egg. It's been 15 minutes, the chicken is getting cooked. The taste is very good, but still I will use a little bit of stock powder to enhance the extra taste. Now let's sprinkle some coriander. The chicken has been prepared now. The roast is completely ready. Now let's go and do the omelette. And to prepare the omelette, let's take 2 tablespoons of oil. So now let's fry the omelette. Our simple and easy Ros Omelette is ready now. Enjoy this with your family. So friends, if you have liked our recipe, the way how we have prepared it, very nice and easy, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.